Thank you so much for watching the Press Avenue YouTube channel. My name is John, and I like to create WordPress tutorials that are easy to understand and that basically everybody can use. So you don't need to know code or anything like that, but you can use it if you want, and we do show it occasionally. We will use a little snippet of code today, but you don't technically need to use it. Today we're talking about anchor text and using anchor text within Gutenberg. So Gutenberg's the new WordPress 5.0 editor. It's been out for just over a year, but adding anchor text is sometimes a mystery because it's kind of buried on the side, and we'll show you how to use it. If you don't know what anchor text is, essentially you may have a list at the top of a page, and I would click, say this one right here, WordPress tutorials for everyone, and it would scroll me down, maybe to a set of tutorials. A similar one is maybe you'll see a button. This is a chat box, but there may be an arrow on the side that says scroll to top. You click it and it scrolls right back up to the top. So the link isn't taking us to a new page or loading a new window. It's taking us to a section within the website itself on the same page that you're already on. All right, so let's get to it. I have an older post here, and I added this right here. Too long, didn't read. Skip to the Beaver Builder row background image fix solution. So this just is a blog post about fixing something in Beaver Builder, but I want to be able to have a link here that skips them past all this backstory and brings them right here, which is why they're here in the first place. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Edit Post. Now I do have Beaver Builder enabled, and you don't have to have Beaver Builder on your site. It could be any site. And if you see, it's just a blog post here on the left. I have a title, the body coming down here, down to a solution. Now in Gutenberg, if you click a header, so this is a heading section, you can either click one that you already have, or you can go to plus, heading, and I can say anchor text. And you can call it whatever you want. But over here on the right-hand side, we have heading settings, then color settings, and then most people don't click advanced, but if you click advanced on a heading, you have the HTML anchor tag here. Now this is where you just type any phrase where you know where you want this to go. So I'm going to call it the solution. You don't have to add anything else, except there does need to be dashes if you're going to do a space. Thankfully, Gutenberg adds a dash every time I hit the space bar. So if I hit space for the fix, so I could say this is the solution for the fix. So copy this, and then it says you can use a word or two, but you can make it a sentence if you want. But I really would stick to maybe one or two words. So I'll go to copy, because I'm lazy, and I will go back up here to the top. And then right here at the too long didn't read, I'm going to highlight the link that I want to bring me down to that anchor point. And I'm going to click the link here. I'm going to do kind of the hashtag, paste. And what this does is it's creating a link. So my site is pressavenue.com/ I think this one's called Beaver Builder Image Fix. Then it's going to say hash solution for the fix. And that'll bring me straight down the page to the solution. So I'll go ahead and hit enter. You can see here it shows the link pop up, which I'm going to leave, and I'm going to go to update. So give it a second to update. Now I'm going to view this post. And now you see here, this is a link, and when I click it, it brings me down to the solution here. Now the anchor text is what I linked to, and the WordPress bar covers it up. But if the bar wasn't there and you're not logged in, it essentially puts it right at the top of the page. So anchor text doesn't make sense. I really want it to be this one here, but I just wanted to show you how to add that heading element. So that is how anchor text works. Now, if you don't want to anchor it to a heading, you can add a custom HTML block. So I'll go back to Edit Post, give it a minute to load. So essentially this is going down to that solution for the fix. So I'll come down here, 3 dots, and I'll get rid of this. And then I'll go to plus, and I'll type HTML. And now we're going to add some HTML. So we're going to add a link, so you should do a ref, equals the link, then the text, and etc. That's how you create a link. We're going to do ID equals quotes. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. And then end it. And we're going to call it solution for the fix. So this is a link, and if I put words here, they would show up. So if I put solution for the fix, it would show that as a link. But if I put nothing here, then it won't show at all. So if I preview this, it's just blank. So I'll go ahead and go to update. Give it a minute to update. Go to view post. Now when I click this, it brings me down, because the WordPress thing's in the way, but it brings me straight to here. And the code I inserted is right here on this line that you can't see. There's no visual element to it. It's strictly an anchor bringing me straight down to where it is. And that's pretty much it for the anchor text. So it's pretty simple. It is buried in the heading block of Gutenberg. So if I click text here and I go to advanced, it just asks me for a class. But if I come down to a heading, oops, there's that anchor right there. And then additionally, I showed you how to do it with the HTML. If you have any questions about this, how to use Gutenberg, questions about WordPress or any other plugins, do let us know in the comments. Additionally, we have a free Facebook group, which is facebook.com/group/PressAvenue. There's me, where we talk about tutorials, people ask questions, all sorts of stuff. We'd love to have you come join us, and I'd love to help if I can. Lastly, if this was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. I love hearing your guys' reactions, so please comment below and hit that red subscribe button to see more WordPress tutorials just like this. Thank you so much for watching.